What is the value of current in a short circuit? A 0, B infinite, C less, D very few. The correct answer is B infinite. What is the rate of doing work is called? A power, B energy, C force, D torque. The correct answer is A power. A 220 watt 220 volt lamp will have a resistance of A 22 ohm, B 220 ohm, C 1 ohm, D 484 ohm. The correct answer is 220 ohm. Let me explain this. Given that the power is equal to 220 watts, voltage V is equal to 220 volt, and the required is the resistance, then the general formula for power is as power is equal to voltage times current, and resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. Substituting, we can get power P is equal to V square over R. And when we simplify this for resistance R is equal to V square over P. And by substituting the values, R is equal to 220 volt square divided by 220 watt, which is equal to 220 ohm. What is the supply frequency value in most countries? A 45 Hz, B 60 Hz, C 50 Hz, D 120 Hz. The correct answer is 50 Hz. The resistance can be reduced by increasing which of the following factor? A length, B width, C cross-sectional area, D heat. The correct answer is cross-sectional area. If four resistors of 10 ohm are connected in parallel to a 2.5 volt cell, the value of current output will be A 0.1 ampere, B 1 ampere, C 10 ampere, D 2.5 ampere. The correct answer is 1 ampere. Let me explain this question. In a parallel circuit, the total resistance is 1 over R8 is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. Because there are 4 resistors connected in parallel, since all the 4 resistors are equal, that is 10 ohm, then 1 over R8 is equal to 4 over R. This implies R8 is equal to R over 4, which is equal to 10 ohm divided by 4, and the total value of the resistance is 2.5 ohm. So I is equal to V over R. This implies I is equal to 2.5 volt divided by 2.5 ohm, which is equal to 1 ampere. What is the ability to do work? A. Power, B. Energy, C. Efficiency, D. Horsepower. The correct answer is energy. What does the forefinger represent in the Fleming's left-hand rule? A. Magnetic field, B. Direction of motion, C. Direction of force, D. Direction of current. The correct answer is magnetic field. Which wire is at zero potential? A. Live wire, B. Neutral wire, C. Earth wire, D. Phase wire. The correct answer is a neutral wire. Which law relates the voltage, current, and resistance? A. Lenz's law, B. Ohm's law, C. Faraday's law, D. Kirchhoff's law. The correct answer is Ohm's law. The power consumed in a circuit is given by A. P is equals to V over I, B. P is equals to V times I, C. P is equals to I over R, D. P is equals to V square over I. The correct answer is B. P is equals to V time I. Electric fuse works on the principle of A. Magnetism, B. Electromagnetic induction, C. Heating effect of current, D. Ohm's law. The correct answer is heating effect of current. In a series circuit, current is A. Same through all component, B. Different in each component, C. Always zero, D. Maximum of the source. The correct answer is same through all components. What does a transformer do? A. Convert AC to DC, B. Convert mechanical energy into electrical, C. Step up or step down, D. Stores electrical energy. The correct answer is C. Step voltage up or down. Electrical energy is measured in A. Watts, B. Watt second, C. Watt hour or kilowatt hour, D. Joules only. The correct answer is, please put the correct answer below in the comment section.